Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a professional website for a plumbing business in this quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make a full multi-page plumbing business website that's going to look just like this. So here's the professional website for your plumbing business, for a plumber, that I'm going to show you how to build only $9 a month. That's right, this professional website that you're looking at with services, images, Google reviews, a contact form, a dashboard. You can connect your own domain. Check out the other pages that I built to this site. I built a simple, nice leak repair page with a call to action button that's click to call, with nice copy that's local SEO optimized to help get me found for leak repair services. I've got my Facebook reviews integrated, another contact form. I'm going to show you how to use this platform to build a basic professional website for a local plumber using Mighty Sites. Links down below. Let's jump right in and get started. I'm going to show you how I quickly and easily put together this website for a plumber just like you. Like and subscribe to catch all the Mighty Sites videos. Give the platform a try. There's a 7-day free trial and you can get started with your own website for your business to help you promote your business and collect more leads using Mighty Sites. Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm going to build a website for a plumbing business for just $9 a month. After you create your free account, all you do is go in here to Mighty Sites and you search for plumber. And here it is. It pops right up. You can see here's the plumbing business template. So I'm going to put in Keegan, the local plumber, and type of business. This is a service business. Where is it located? In Denver, Colorado. And I'm going to click on continue. Now, what this is going to do is auto-populate the template with images and copy to make your life easy. And then there's a little tutorial here you can click through that's going to show you how to easily use this platform to actually build and design your website. It's all just super straightforward and easy. I'm just going to skip through this, but you're going to have this as reference when you launch your template. And then you can see some examples. So there are all types of businesses that are built on Mighty Sites. Tons of local businesses use the platform, actually several hundred, and you can see all the different businesses and types of businesses that this is a good fit for. Now I chose Plumber and it automatically deployed this template with images, descriptions for me, which is off and running with a great start. First thing I'm going to do is go to the top and click on update section. And I'm going to start by just copy and pasting. So I'm just going to copy and paste your Facebook link. If you have an Instagram, you can just copy and paste that in here. Once you do, the little icons are going to show up here on the right, and then just save my social icons. And then I'm going to update my information. So I'll just put here Keegan at mightysites.com, show email on the site. I want my customers to contact me, and then phone number would go in right here as well. And now your contact information is going to be on the header and footer of every page of your website so people can easily contact you. Now, the next thing that you probably want to do is replace this with a logo. Very simple and straightforward way to do that is just go to Canva and just click on the logo option. So if you have a logo, you can just skip this and upload it. If you don't have a logo, go here. I'm going to put in plumber. There we go. Here's a cool plumbing logo. And I'm going to make the background white just for the purposes of this. And then plumber business. That's great. I'm just going to leave it like this because this is a demo. Keegan, the local plumber logo. All right. Now I'm going to save that and download it. And I'm just going to make it a transparent background. That'll make my life easier. And then I'm going to show you the editing tools here in the platform. So I'm going to go right over here, click on update section, browse. And here is my plumbing logo. Now, once this uploads, I'm going to click on save. And there's my logo. Now I can click make it bigger, make it smaller, but you can see it's pretty small. So I'm going to click on this little pencil icon and I'm actually going to crop it down. So see how I can use these tools to easily crop it. And there's all sorts of image tools over here that are built into the platform. But I'm just going to crop that down, click done. It's going to resave the image here in my platform. I'm going to save it again. Now my logo is bigger, and I'll even make it that a little bigger right there. So it looks pretty good. Now I can also update the design and switch the layout. So if I want the layout to look like this, that's pretty cool. And then I can even update, I'm going to save that design change, and then I can go to the color options, and I can even change the color options here if I want. So I've got different background layouts that I can use for my website. But I'm just going to switch it back to the original format just to leave it as is for now. So I'm going to save those design changes. And there we go. Now I've got a logo, a header, some links here that go to sections of the website. Now I may want to go in here and change any of this. So I just say Keegan, the local plumber, Denver, Colorado. There we go. So I'll just save that. Now I can also update the button. So I'm going to go to the update action. Request free estimate is great, and that goes to the lead form. So if I click on this, you can see I just go right here to the lead form on my website, which I'll show you that in a sec where those go. But I can also choose to make this like a click to call and call my phone number. I can link to another website or to a form if I want to, or I can link to any section of my website, or even upload a PDF if you want to show people prices or something like that. So now my website's coming along really nice. If I want to update any of this text, how we got started, right? I could update that, and whatever I type just shows up right there on the site. I can also update the images. So I can browse my computer, or I can search a built-in photo library of pre-licensed images that I can search plumbing, toilet, faucet, whatever I want, and then pre-populate. So let's just say I want this to be a faucet. So I can just search that, and here, how about this one with the hands? Now it updates the image right there. Or you can connect your Instagram is another option, and then add the photos from your Instagram to the site. All right, now one other thing I'm going to show you, because this is pretty great, is we have a partnership with ElfSite. So you can click on the link below the video and the link below to Mighty Sites. Again, this platform is only $9 a month. It's just simple professional websites for $9 a month. You can't beat the price. But there's all these widgets here. So you just create an account. It's free. And then there's like a $5 and $10 a month platform, best for you. And you could use the free version if you want, but I'm just going to go in here to my Google reviews, and I'm going to click here on install, copy the code for these Google reviews I have set up, just link to my Google business profile, paste them in right there, save it, close it. And now if I switch out of editing mode, now you can see that I've got nice photos, image, and now I've got my Google reviews for my business built in, right? So you could be done right here with a one-page website if that's all you need. But and then your site dashboard on the back end is going to allow you to buy a domain, connect a domain that you already own, update your site, and then view your leads right here. So leads that come in through your website, and there's a little button here that shows you a tutorial all about how to attract more leads to your site. All right, but I'm going to go back to update my site because I'm going to show you how to add new pages to your website. So you might want a few pages for your plumbing business. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you do is you go into pages, and I'm actually going to use ChatGPT just to help me fill this out, but you can use whatever you want. So I just typed in here, write me a headline, subheadline, body copy for my leak detection and repair services in Denver, Colorado. Optimize the copy for local SEO and include emojis. You can use whatever prompt you want, or you can just type it out yourself. But now it gives me the page copy. So I'm going to go in here, and just the page that I'm going to show you, you can build up to 9 different pages for your site. I'm going to show you how cool this is. So I'm just going to put in leak repair as one of my pages. So I'm going to add the new page. And then the first thing I do, it's going to bring me to that page to edit it. But the first thing I'm going to do is update section, go to my menu. I'm going to add first a home page, and I'm just going to link that to the main home page of my site, add that to my menu, move it up to the top, save the menu. Then click here on leak repair. And then so there's the home page. Now I'm going to update the menu. I'm going to put in leak repair. And now I'm going to choose where that links on my website. And then it's going to go to that new leak repair page I just added. So I'm going to save that, add it to my menu, and then let's just put that right behind services, which is the overview of the services on my homepage. So now I've got a nice home page link, and then I've got my leak repair services page. Now I'm going to show you how to make that page look really great. So I'm going to go in here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to update this section, and now I'm just going to copy that over. Again, you can write this yourself, or you can just use ChatGPT or another AI tool to help you come up with a copy. And then there's my subheader. I'm going to paste that in there. Now I'm going to put this extra copy right here like that, and then I'm going to paste in the rest of the copy that it gave me. Okay. And then right there, okay, great. So I'm just going to space this out a little bit so it's easier to read. There we go. And I'm going to save the content. Now, here we go. Now I've got a really nice page coming along for my site. I'm going to go over here to update image, search the photo library. I'm just going to put in leak. All right, so Any of these would be fine. You could also upload your own. Let's just see if leaky faucet comes up. All right, so actually just like showing a faucet is good. Maybe we'll just use this one and select this photo, save the image. There we go. Now I've got a faucet, leak detection, and repair in Denver, Colorado. And so I'm going to save this content and then I'm going to go back to Elf site and I'm going to grab my, see there's an Instagram feed, Google Maps, reviews. You can add anything you like. I'm going to add Facebook reviews because I think that'll look nice. They can see that I've got reviews on Facebook for my services. So I'm going to upload, I'm going to copy and paste that. Again, it's just a quick and easy widget I created in Elf site, save that content. Now I'm going to go to this and then um, get in touch today. We help solve leaks for good. All right, and then I can type in anything else I want to that form. I can update the form fields that I want. I can update the design, like as in the colors, but I'm just going to save this content that I just added. And now, if I switch out of editing mode, you can see now I've got a nice page about my leak repair as well as my Facebook reviews and then a get in touch form added to the site as well. So now I've got a multi-page website up and running for my business. I can add 8 more pages to the site. It's got my services, my Google reviews, my Facebook reviews. I could add contact form or, if you want to have a location form, you can add that too. If you want to add a location form, you can add that too. But I've got a nice professional website built for my business. You might even want to, let me just add one more thing, which is a good idea to have on your site, is another call to action. Because why not? You want people to get in touch with you. So let's update this section. Go to update action and add a little button here that says call us today. All right. And then choose what I want it to do, action, and call the phone number for my business that I've added to the site. So I'm going to save that action button. And now I've got a little link to have them call today, right? Right under this, call now for same day service or a free leak inspection quote.